Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. This is your buddy Crypto Prophet, and today we are going to actually show you guys how you can buy THETA and other things on KuCoin. A lot of people have been asking, I have Coinbase, I don't know how to get KuCoin, some of those coins on KuCoin, I don't know how to transfer my money, etc., etc. So I put some money in the portfolio to really kind of show you guys how you could transfer from Coinbase to, obviously another exchange like KuCoin or Uniswap or something of that nature. Obviously, if you can do KuCoin, you can probably do about any of them very easily. So what I'll show you first is obviously we have money here in Coinbase. And I am going to be a little bit slower about this, guys, because I do want to make sure I do this correctly for you guys. So hang on to me as we go through this. Remember, I will say this now. I'm not a financial advisor. I will never be a financial advisor. So always do your own research. I'm going to move this over to the side now because you don't really need to do anything here besides buy Ethereum, which should be pretty easy. Right now on this account, all I have is $245 of Ethereum, nothing crazy. But if I wanted to transfer that, I would suggest using Ethereum because there is a miner's fee transferring money between wallets. And there's also that when you guys buy on Coinbase, there's going to be a fee initially. So you got to remember, if you put in $245, you're probably only going to get, $200 over to KuCoin in the coin you're looking for. So let's take this, and I'm going to bring it over to the side here as I bring up my Coinbase wallet, and then I'll pop it over in the middle of the screen for you guys yet again. If we come over here, this is obviously not my main account. I have $0 in this wallet. So, or I guess not main account, main wallet. But if you go to send, you click the send in the top left, you can see you can buy or transfer from Coinbase. You click that, and you can pick any of these cryptos. So I have a little bit of crypto in this Coinbase wallet, a bunch of random crypto actually, and I don't know if it's going to let me share you this part of the screen. It doesn't look like it's going to let me, but basically, if you are following along, it's very easy. It just shows your wallets. So there's Link Wallet, ETH Wallet, and then you can click. Let's say I click ETH Wallet. You can put max, and as it loads here. Slowly loading. 240, right? 240 to transfer. We hit continue. Miner fee, $5.29. It shows you your miner's fee. I'm not going to continue because this is all backup account stuff, and I'm not going to continue at this time. I will actually bring this over to the side again, as we actually don't need it anymore. So now, if you transferred it over to your wallet, I guess we will need it. If you transferred it over to your wallet, you're going to be in good shape. I'm going to bring my wallet back up because I guess we actually are going to need that for 1 second here. The next part is easy though, so you should be happy about that. I just realized I can click with my mouse. That is pretty cool. So I will be doing that, and if we have to do some of these tutorials in the future, they'll get better and better with time, obviously. This is my first one like this, so hope you guys do like this kind of video, and definitely hit the like button if you do, and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. But like I said, let's go to the KuCoin main page here. And I actually went a little bit farther than I needed to, but let's go to the assets. This is where you're going to go to the assets, and you're going to see all of your assets. This is obviously not my main KuCoin account. I don't really want to have everyone seeing what my main portfolio looks like at this moment. Maybe in the future. I accidentally hit KuCoin futures. Let's go back. So what you're going to want to do is, as we get to... There we go. We're on the assets overview. The main account is really, you can put your money there. You can put your, assets there. Nothing really special. You want all of your assets in the trading account if you're trying to buy anything at this moment. So right now, trading account. I have, a certain amount of money in there. I'm not going to read that entire number, but you can hit trade. Once you have, I guess I should go over this. So if you put it in your main account, and let's actually go over how to deposit as well. So you hit deposit. And you type in, let's say ETH is what I'm depositing, and let's go with trading account is where I want to deposit it, because if you transfer it to the main account, you just have to transfer it to the trading account to actually trade with it, so there's no point in transferring it to the main account, for my knowledge at least. But then you can actually hit this QR code. If you hover over this QR code, you can see on my screen, there's a QR code that shows up, and then I'll bring up my phone and kind of show you how to go about this. So if you have that QR code, you can literally just hit this right here. And as you see, like multiple screens, you can see that it pops up and it says send. So obviously that is how you'd send, and then you just hit Ethereum, and you could send however much Ethereum you want over. Obviously another miner's fee will happen. And I did this just, if you guys see here on the bottom of the screen, it actually says, the time that I actually transferred some money over to this account to try to show you, how this works. So if we go to the actual trading account now, because we have, let's say we have the money now. We should have the money. It takes a little bit for it to come in, and I'm not actually going to go to the trading account. We're going to the markets in the top left. If you click the markets, you can see all of the coins as well. If we go to where I'm trying to figure out where I'm trying to go, I don't even know what I was thinking there for a second. But you can actually go to, you can go to either orders, buy and sell orders, and you can learn more about, you know, the orders you have in process, completed, canceled, and all. But you should have all of the money transferred at this point. If you do not have all your money transferred, it may take a couple minutes, like I said. But there's a lot of things you can do on KuCoin, so I definitely would consider, you know, looking around and seeing what you can all do on KuCoin itself. But if you're looking to actually trade now, we will actually go to the orders. I will stop messing around here. Let's go to the orders and not orders, sorry, assets, and see what we have. So this is where you will decide to trade. So if you go to your trading account, you can actually hit trade. If we hit trade, basically you're going to pop up on a new screen here in a second, and voila, we're in a new screen. So you see at the top, I have BTC, BPRO, THETA, and ETH all opened up as a window. These are the crazy graphs that I try to stay away from for your guys' sake. Obviously, candles in the red mean basically it's trending down, and candles in the green means it's trending up. So BTC has been having a rough time here in the last, obviously, couple days, and you can see that there. But like I said, you can click on the KuCoin here in the top, and if you click on the KuCoin, it'll take you right on back to the main page, and you can see all that information there. We won't do that at this time. We won't do anything special like that. However, you can go to this right here, click this. If you want THETA or THETA Fuel, you can type in THETA, and then you have THETA USDT. You click THETA USDT. You go down here on the bottom right of the screen. Hopefully you can see all this. I believe you can. And you just, if you're just trying to buy at the best market price, you just hit market. You see best market price. And let's say I want to do 100% of my USDT, which actually I don't have yet because it's in ETH. So we'll go to the ETH tab, and I forgot I wanted to show you this as well. So you have best market price, right? We have it on the market right now, so it's best market price. We'll do 100% of my ETH. Let's say I'll sell it all right now. No problem. You have placed the order successfully. Okay, it should be a couple seconds, and I'm sure somebody will buy it in a jiffy. But if we go to best market price on THETA, you can actually go with a 100% there. And you can see that because I sold all of that ETH, I can buy 1,244 THETA. And we are going to place the order. You have placed the order successfully. Market buy THETA USDT. So we see in our little notifications over here, you have received that THETA from earlier. And it shows that I've logged in. That's good. But yeah, now if we go to our assets, we should actually have... Hopefully, we should have some THETA, unless it may take a couple minutes sometimes to get those orders processed. Usually, it does not, though. But if we go to, I guess, where should we go? We can just click the trading account and see. So yeah, THETA. Now we have 106 THETA available to us. We also have BPRO. I am a big supporter of BPRO. I have 33,000 just on this account, or this. I guess this account. But yeah, we did successfully transfer THETA for Coinbase ETH to THETA on KuCoin. So now make sure you go through your security settings on your on your exchange, because you have a lot of money in there. You definitely want to go through your security settings and make sure you have everything safe as can be. Obviously, you don't want anyone coming into your account and taking all your THETA out. So that is a quick way to get a little bit of THETA, and obviously you can do T-Fuel as well. And KuCoin supports a lot of different coins. I do like the way KuCoin works. It's fairly easy and simple once you get the hang of it. Obviously, without a video or tutorial, it can be somewhat difficult. I remember, I forget how long ago when I first did it. It took me 15 minutes to figure it out, and I'm somebody that should know this stuff inside and out. So like I said, definitely take a look at THETA. I think it's going to be very helpful for you guys. In the description of this video, actually, hopefully I should have said this in the beginning, but there is a referral code in the description if you want to use that referral code. I think it will help me out. I'm not sure what I earned from it. I have like 30 referrals, and I don't think I've gotten anything so far, but it would help me out, I would assume, in the future if you guys use my referral code for KuCoin. let me know if you guys like this little tutorial. I can do more tutorials like this. If you guys have any suggestions on tutorials, definitely let me know in the comments below. Definitely like and subscribe to the video if you appreciate this kind of content. I did this specifically for you guys that are trying to ask, every day you guys are asking, how do I get THETA? I tell you KuCoin. It may be harder than, it sounds. So I tried to help you guys out with this tutorial quickly, and let me know, like I said, in the comments below if it helped you out. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified every time we do, new videos. A lot of them can be, I guess there are a lot of them that can be time sensitive. So getting that information as quickly as possible is definitely going to help you out. Thanks again, guys, for watching today's video. I'll see you all in the next one.